Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, very good morning to all. Today is my day second of my English speaking challenge because already I took 7 days of my English speaking challenge. Okay, so right now I'm just asking to the chat GPT that which topic should I talk about in day two. Okay, so hi AI, how are you? Hello AI, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? How's your day going so far?
So this is morning time and the timing was 7:15. So can you tell me how are you?
Absolutely, I'm doing really well, and I'm happy to chat with you this morning. I hope your morning is off to a good start. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to talk about or practice today.
Yeah, today I want to do my English speaking practice with you. So can I do with you?
Of course, I'd be happy to help you with that. We can chat about any topic you like, or even do some guided exercises. Just let me know what you'd prefer, and we'll get started.
So today is my day two of my English speaking challenge. So am not able to think that in day two what should I speak.
That's awesome. For day 2, we can keep it simple and fun. Maybe we can have a casual conversation about your daily routine, your hobbies, or even something you're excited about. That way you can get comfortable speaking and we can gradually build up from there. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Today I will discuss about my daily routine in front of everyone. So, would you like to if I'll make mistake while speaking in English, so can you correct me?
Absolutely. I'd be more than happy to help and correct any mistakes as we go along. Just speak naturally and we'll work on it together. I'm sure you'll do great. Whenever you're ready, we can dive right in.
Yeah, definitely. I am ready to speak my daily routine. So, can I share my daily routine with you so that you can give me that you can tell my mistake, okay?
Absolutely, that sounds perfect. Go ahead and share your daily routine whenever you're ready, and I'll listen carefully and help you out with any corrections. I'm looking forward to hearing about it.
Okay, so I always get up early in the morning at 7 or 7:30. I get up. After that, I go for the freshen up. Okay, when I come from the freshen up, I go to my bathroom. Then I hand wash. Then I wash my face. Then I go to my kitchen. Then I prepare some breakfast for my family. Then together I prepared a tiffin box for my husband because in the morning he is going for his office. So then I have to make his tiffin box also. And after that, when my tiffin box was ready, then I go to my husband room. Then I get up him, and after that I tell to him that now it's time to get up. Then he get up. After that he go to his washroom. Then after that I'll just pack everything. I'll just do my all the kitchen stuff like washing the utensils. And when my husband come back, he does everything. After that I serve. After that I give him his breakfast. When he complete his breakfast, then he go to his office. Then after that I start my all house chores work like all the utensil I washed, grooming, mopping I does. And after that I go to the bath. Then I come back from my bath. Then I do worship. Okay, then I give some water to my tulsi ma. And after that I I I take my breakfast. And in lunchtime I always eat my lunch with my son. Me and my son, we both lunch eat together. And in afternoon time I prepare some snack for me, for my son also, because in evening time I always prefer to take tea at 5 a.m, 5 p.m or 6 p.m. Okay, After that, I was at 7 p.m. I called to my husband that what should I prepare in the breakfast, in the dinner. Then whatever he tells me, after that I prepared for him, and when he come back I serve him his food. And that's all about my daily routine. Now you can tell me what is the mistake in my daily routine.
You did a wonderful job sharing your routine. Overall, it was very clear. Here are a few small corrections and suggestions. Instead of saying I go for the freshen up, you can say I freshen up or I get freshened up. When you mention washing your face, you can say I wash my face instead of I hand wash. For the part where you prepare your husband's tiffin, you can say I prepare his tiffin box instead of I prepare tiffin box. Instead of saying I get up him, it's more natural to say I wake him up. For when you talk about doing chores, instead of I do my all house chores, you can say I do all my household chores. For the evening tea, you can say I always have tea at around 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Overall, your speaking was very clear, and with these small tweaks, you'll sound even more natural.
Yeah, thank you so much. And because suddenly I gave this situation to me, because in the morning I gave this idea that why should I not ask to the chat GPT that what should I speak in day 2. Yeah. So whatever I'm speaking, I'm clear, or should I speak more, or should I speak clear more?
You're definitely clear, and you did a fantastic job sharing your routine. As you continue practicing, you can focus on speaking a bit more slowly and clearly, but overall, you're doing great. The more you practice, the more comfortable and natural it will feel. So just keep it up, and I'm here to help whenever you need.
Yeah, definitely. So now, I'll take a challenge. Like in a day, I'll try to speak at least 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So I just completed my 5 minutes. So now it's time to make breakfast for my family. So let's meet tomorrow for new activity. And can you suggest me what is the day 3 of my English speaking challenge?
That's awesome. For day 3, you could focus on describing your favorite hobby or a recent experience you had. That way, you can practice using different vocabulary and tenses. And of course, we'll keep it fun and engaging. Enjoy making breakfast, and I'm looking forward to our next session tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. So bye bye, AI. Have a nice day. See you.
Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day as well, and I'll be here whenever you're ready for the next practice. Take care and enjoy your morning.
Thank you so much. So, that's how I did my English speaking practice with AI. So, this is the live demo, and I'll show you the timing. My whole family is sleeping now, and the timing was, I don't know whether you are seeing or not, that is 7:24, 7:24. Yeah, 7:24 the timing is. So, I did not I did not I did not wash my face also. So right now I'm just going to make breakfast for my husband. After that I'll do all the things related to my house chores work. So bye bye guys. Let's meet in third video. So I just completed my side a second. Why I just shoot this video because right now I'm thinking that my long video will go on 8 o'clock. So now I'll just go for the editing. So bye bye. Let's meet in new video.